I talk about syllable nucleus, and this is the structure of the syllable. For example, ons, nucleus, and coda. The words consist in form two nucleus in the structure. For example, water has two example, the initial syllable and the final syllable is water. And we have two coda, one's a nucleus. Coda is one or more consonants. Nucleus is in a vowel, and coda one or more consonants at the end. And another example that we use to structure is in a sentence, and we have the rhymes of this. The rhyme of the nucleus of the syllable, it's classified in three rhymes: prosodic, poetic, and stressed prosodic.